everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make a fun end-of-the-year gift for teachers or coaches. All you need for this project is a relatively flat chocolate bar and a picture frame. Let's get started in Design Space. I'll start out by clicking on Shapes and bringing in a square. Now I'll just unlock it so I can change the size. And I would like the width to be 5.5 inches wide by 7.5 inches tall. And let's just change the color so it's easier to see. I'll go with white. Now I can bring in a text box. This is going to say, in case of emergency, break glass. So I'll make in case of emergency its own box, and that'll go at the top. Now I do want to change the font here, so I'll just click on font. This one will be a font that I've downloaded, so it'll be in System, and it's called KG Darkside. Now I'll just resize this so it fits nicely in the rectangle. And then I can add in another text box for break glass. I don't want the writing going too close to the edge, so I'll just make both of these a little bit smaller. I don't actually need my machine to cut out the rectangle, that was just there for planning. So I'll just click on this little eyeball and it can disappear. Now I can press Make. I will be cutting on a mat, and I have a scrap piece of vinyl that I want to use, so I'm just going to move break glass down so it all fits within that size. And I'll be cutting on permanent vinyl. Cut out your vinyl and stick it down on a green mat. Use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Pop it into your Cricut machine and let it work its magic. Get a piece of transfer tape a little bit larger than your design, and use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl. Now we can start lining everything up. Put the chocolate bar in the middle, and then you can put the vinyl into position. Once you're happy with the placement, use the scraper tool to stick the vinyl down, and then pull off the transfer tape. Now I can take the backing off of the frame and stick the chocolate bar down into place. The easiest way to do this is to use double-sided tape. Put some on the back of the chocolate bar, and then you can line it up into position. I have pre-cut a piece of thicker cardstock, and I'll carefully put that in place, trying not to move the chocolate bar. Put the frame backing back on, and this gift is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.